system. Numbers are mathematical symbols used for counting, measuring and perform calculation. Let's see the types of numbers.
I am a natural number. Natural number starts from 1. It are called natural number. Another name is counted number. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc.
I am a whole number. Natural number together with 0 are called whole number. Example 0, 1, 2, 3, etc.
I am an integer, all positive, negative whole number including 0. Example -3, -4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. I am a prime number. Numbers greater than 1 that have two factors, 1 and itself is called prime numbers. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. I am a composite number. A number greater than 1 and more than 2 factors is called composite number. Example 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10, etc.
I am a odd number. A number which cannot be divisible by 2 is called a odd number. Example 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc.
I am a even number. A number which can be divisible by 2 is called even number. Example 2, 4, 6, 8, etc.
I am a rational number. We can express it in the form of b by q, where p and q integer of q not equal 0, decimal of non-terminating and terminating or repeating. Example 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4.
I am irrational. It cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. P or q are integer. Q is not equal to 0. Their decimal form is non-terminating and non-repeating. Example root 2, root 3 and root 7, etc.